This video was recorded on the evening of Monday, October 18th during a drive through the Lincoln Street Northeast obstacle course. To provide some background, road crew set up this obstacle course as a way to keep traffic from speeding down what is normally a quiet residential street while a section of Johnson Street Northeast was renovated. If you have seen my first FSD beta video, you'll have seen my car struggle to even enter this obstacle course, let alone navigate it. In this video, the result is quite different and honestly quite amazing to see just how far the tech has come. Before entering the obstacle course, I used the left scroll wheel to lower the autopilot maximum speed since the upcoming left turn occurs immediately after completion of the right turn. It is amazing what a difference reducing the speed makes. When properly following the posted obstacle course speed limit of 10 miles per hour, the car handles the entire obstacle course with ease. This is a big contrast from my first FSD beta video, where the car struggled to even properly enter the obstacle course, let alone navigate it. At the very end of the obstacle course, we have a busy intersection where traffic is almost always constantly flowing from both the left and the right. There is also a road construction obstacle blocking the left lane, creating a choke point where oncoming cars have to sneak around cars like mine waiting to turn. As you can see, FSD Beta does an excellent job waiting for the turning car to proceed before moving forward to prepare for the left turn, just like a great human driver would. I have to say I'm thoroughly impressed with how well FSD Beta performed on this drive. It was really exciting being in the driver's seat watching the car properly navigate the obstacle course while appropriately yielding to oncoming traffic entering the various choke points. As soon as FSD Beta 10.3 drops, I will be doing another video through the obstacle course and recording the results to see if any improvements are apparent. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will look for you on the next one.